Hi, I'm Jack with Sioux Dent Repair. Today I'm going to be showing you why it matters where your damage is on a panel. Alright, so here we have a perfect example of a door on a common vehicle. As you can see, the exterior sheet metal has been removed for this example. Highlighted in the top section here in blue, we have the upper door bracing or structure of the vehicle. Through this area, as you can see, there are slots and holes that give us access to the damaged area in the top part of the door. Sometimes vehicles have no access and there are no slots or holes here to gain access, making this even more difficult. Moving below that area, this is the easiest area of the door to access right in the middle. This is often wide open, as you can see here in between the two blue and yellow braces. So to gain access to the center part of the door, we actually install a window guard to protect the window. From here, we have full access to the whole entire center part of the door. This is oftentimes the easiest spot of the door to actually access. Highlighted in yellow here, we have actually the center crash beam on the vehicle. We can get tools around this area and above it very easily, but anything below that area, below the yellow crash beam, is very difficult. Oftentimes, in order to gain access to these areas below the crash beam, we actually have to remove the door panel and sometimes even the door itself. The red area, highlighted in the outer edges of the vehicle, are often double and triple wall metal. This makes for a very complex and sometimes impossible repair. You can find us on the web at SiouxFallsDentRepair.com. Also, you can text us your damaged photos to 605-595-4061.